In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Dry Bristles Eroded in Krita. Open Krita and press B to switch to the brush tool. Open the brush presets docker on the right side, search for Dry Bristles Eroded, and click the brush to select it. Dry Bristles Eroded is useful for creating rough, textured strokes with a worn and uneven brush effect. It works well when you need broken paint coverage, visible bristle marks, and natural-looking texture. Adjust the brush size using Shift+Drag or the size box in the top toolbar. Use larger sizes for wider strokes and smaller sizes for details. Control the paint flow by adjusting opacity. Lower it for softer, lighter strokes and increase it for stronger paint coverage. If you use a drawing tablet, apply light pressure for thinner and lighter strokes and heavier pressure for thicker and darker strokes. Use this brush when adding rough textures, weathered effects, or dry brush details. Drag the brush slowly across the canvas to create more visible bristle texture and uneven strokes. Build up your colors gradually with multiple passes instead of applying one heavy stroke. And that's how to use Dry Bristles Eroded in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.